Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you backup and restore chats in Line app. So in order to restore and backup chats in Line app, you just need to follow the steps. First thing first, make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. Along with that, you want to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. Now then, log into your Line app onto your device. Once logged in from the home page, tap onto the settings or the gear icon at the top right. Moving on, you want to go to the chat history backup under the backup and transfer section, and you just want to tap onto backup how often. You can choose frequency and turn it on and off. Then you just want to tap on to backup now or backup to Google Drive or iCloud. And you could just go ahead and wait for it once it is completely backed up. And when you try to log in into a new device, or maybe let's say into the same device, you could use the same credentials and you'll find an option as restore in the home page. You have to simply go ahead and tap onto the following options, and that's how you'll be able to backup as well as restore chats in Line app. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.